5. It's time for our board work. We're going to start with our brand new special sounds that we started with yesterday. All right. Now, I don't know if you remember them, so I will tell you what they are, then we'll practice them. All right. This one is all and ball, A-L-L. And this one is awk and walk, A-L-K. Let's practice those. Ready? All in ball, A-L-L. All in ball, A-L-L. Awk and walk, A-L-K. Awk and walk, A-L-K. All right, now look at this one. Let's say this one again. All in ball, A-L-L. Now I have a couple flashcards here for you. I want you to read these words for me. Remember, all in ball, A-L-L. All right, read this word for me. Tall. All in ball, A-L-L. Tall, tall. All right, now how about this one? Wall. All in ball, A-L-L. Wall. Very good, boys and girls. Now our other one is awk and chalk, A-L-K. Awk and chalk, A-L-K. All right, so read this word for me. Talk. Awk, talk. Okay, now read this one for me. Chalk. Awk and walk, A-L-K. Chalk, chalk. All right, good job, boys and girls. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to put these in with our other orange cards, and we are going to practice our special sounds. All right, you guys ready? Cut and duck, C-K. E and me, E. O and go, O. I and fly, Y. A and pray, A-Y. St and stop, S-T. Pull and plane, P-L. Fur and frog, F-R. Tur and train, T-R. Sh and ship, S-H. Th and thick, T-H. The and this, T-H. Bull and block, B-L. Cool and clock, C-L. Full and flake, F-L. Gull and glue, G-L. All right, our blue cards. Burr and bride, B-R. Dur and drum, D-R. Purr and pray, P-R. Gur and grin, G-R. Sm and smoke, S-M. Sk and scat, S-C. Sk and skate, S-K. Sp and spade, S-P. Cur and crab, C-R. Tw and twins, T-W. Spull and splash, S-P-L. Spull and splash, S-P-L. Spur and sprain, S-P-R. Spur and sprain, S-P-R. Skr and scream, S-C-R. Skr and scream, S-C-R. Squ and squeak, S-Q-U. Squ and squeak, S-Q-U. Sn and snack, S-N. Sl and sleep, S-L. and stream, S-T-R. Stir and stream, S-T-R. And swim, S-W. Now our orange cards. Thir and three, T-H-R. Thir and three, T-H-R. R and stars, A-R. Ch and church, C-H. Or in morning, O-R. Ow and out, O-U. Ow and owl, O-W. O and bowl, O-W. In verse, E-R. In nurse, U-R. In bird, I-R. Oi in coin, O-I. Oi in boy, O-Y. In book, O-O. In tooth, O-O. Were in worms, W-O-R. Were in worms, W-O-R. I in night, I-G-H. I in night, I-G-H. Whoops, that went backwards. All in ball, A-L-L. All in ball, A-L-L. Awk in walk, A-L-K. Awk in walk, A-L-K. All right, good job, boys and girls. Now, boys and girls, I have written some words on the board, and we are going to circle the special sounds and mark the vowels on these words. There's been a few of you who have been making mistakes on things that when we were having class together every day, you weren't making these mistakes. And I think it's just because I'm not there to remind you that that's not the way to do it. So I thought we would do them on the board just to help you remember. All right, now, first of all, we have this word right here. All right, now, how many vowels are in this word? One vowel. And what is that one vowel? E. How are we going to mark the E? With a smile. All right, now is there any special sounds or any other vowels in that word? No. So go ahead and read this word for me. Get. Get. That was an easy one, wasn't it? Now, let's look at this word. First of all, do you see any special sounds in this word? Tell me what the letters are. G-R. Grr and grin. So I'm going to circle the G-R. Do you see any other special sounds? No. Now, how many vowels are there in this word? 2. So, the first E, how are we going to mark that? With a hat. And the second E, how are we going to mark that E? Cross it out. Now you go ahead and read that word for me. Greet. Greet. Now, look at this word right here, H-E. All right, do you see any special sounds in this word? Yes, there's a special sound in this word, and this is the mistake that some of you have been making. Boys and girls, that E is the special sound. So we're going to circle the E. We don't mark it with a hat or a smile because it is a special sound. All right, and that special sound is E in me, E. Okay, now there's no other special sounds, so go ahead and read that word for me. He. Okay, remember that one, E is a special sound, not a long or short vowel. Okay, it's a special sound. Now, let's look down here. Okay, do special sounds in this word? Okay, I'm sure all of you saw the CH at the beginning. Okay, so I'm going to circle that. Okay, and that is ch and, what is it, church? Ch and church, CH. Now, this is a mistake that some of you have been making. Boys and girls, there's two special sounds in this word. And some of you, if there's a word that has two special sounds, you've just been circling one and not paying any attention to the other one. Okay, what is the other special sound in this word? CK. Okay, k and duck, CK. So I'm going to circle that also, okay? If a word has two special sounds, you need to circle both special sounds. If it's a graded paper, I have to mark it wrong and take points off if you don't circle both special sounds. Now, how many vowels are in this word? One, and it's an E. How do we mark that E? With a smile. So go ahead and read that word for me, boys and girls. Check. Check. All right, now look at this word right here, boys and girls. Okay, do you see any special sounds in that word? A-Y. Okay, that is A in pray, A-Y. Okay, now is there any other special sounds? No. Are there any vowels that you need to mark? No, because the vowel's in the special sound. All right, go ahead and read that word for me. May. May. That's the month that we're in right now, May. Oh, we also use it when we ask something politely. May I please have a cookie? All right, now we got one more, boys and girls. C-A-R. Is there a special sound in that word? Yes, there is. And this is another mistake that some of you have made. Okay, now the special sound in this word is A-R. It's R in stars, A-R. So we would circle that. But you know, boys and girls, there's been a few times whenever we had that type of a special sound where instead of circling the special sound, somebody marked the A as short, okay, with a smile. You have to be careful if it's only a short word like that and it's got one vowel, that you see if there's a special sound, okay? Because that's a special sound and it says R, okay? R in stars, A-R. Okay, do you see any other special sounds or vowels that you need to mark in that word? No. So go ahead and read it. Car. R in stars, R, R, car. All right, good job, boys and girls. It helps you to read if you circle the special sounds and if you mark the vowels correctly and if you can recognize those, boys and girls. Even when you get to the point that you read so well that you don't mark anything, it helps if you know those special sounds and if you know those vowels so that you can read the words correctly. All right, now we're going to go ahead and move on. We're going to move on to our number work. I wanted to start with the Days of the Week song. All right, you guys ready? Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and then we start again. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and then we start again. Okay, now let's sing the months of the year song. That's newer. Are you ready? January, February, March, and April, May, June, July, and August, September, October, November, December, 12 months in each year. All right, did you remember that? Let's do it again. January, February, March, and April, May, June, July, and August, September, October, November, December, 12 months in each year. Okay, good job. That one's a little harder than the days of the week. All right, boys and girls, I wanted to count by tens. Are you ready? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. All right, now fives. Ready? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. All right, that's good, guys. Now we're going to count by twos, so go ahead and breathe a second. Counting takes your breath away. All right, you ready? We're going to count by twos. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32, 34, 36, 38, 40, 42, 44, 46, 48, 50, 52, 54, 56, 58, 60, 62, 64, 66, 68, 70, 72, 74, 76, 78, 80, 82, 84, 86, 88, 90, 92, 94, 96, 98, 100. Good job, boys and girls. That takes a little longer, doesn't it? Now, I wanted to talk about money today, but before we do, I thought we'd just go over our 8 and 9's addition families. Okay, those are some newer ones. I doubt you guys know them as well as the other ones, so let's practice them a couple times, okay? The 8 addition family, you ready? 0 plus 8 equals 8. 8 plus 0 equals 8. 1 plus 7 equals 8. 7 plus 1 equals 8. 2 plus 6 equals 8. 6 plus 2 equals 8. 3 plus 5 equals 8. 5 plus 3 equals 8. 4 plus 4 equals 8. All right, again. 0 plus 8 equals 8. 8 plus 0 equals 8. 1 plus 7 equals 8. 7 plus 1 equals 8. 2 plus 6 equals 8. 6 plus 2 equals 8. 3 plus 5 equals 8. 5 plus 3 equals 8. 4 plus 4 equals 8. Now the 9 addition family. Look how many there are. There's a lot, isn't there? All right, so let's practice it. Ready? 0 plus 9 equals 9. 9 plus 0 equals 9. 1 plus 8 equals 9. 8 plus 1 equals 9. 2 plus 7 equals 9. 7 plus 2 equals 9. 3 plus 6 equals 9. 6 plus 3 equals 9. 4 plus 5 equals 9. 5 plus 4 equals 9. All right, let's do it again. 0 plus 9 equals 9. 9 plus 0 equals 9. 1 plus 8 equals 9. 8 plus 1 equals 9. 2 plus 7 equals 9. 7 plus 2 equals 9. 3 plus 6 equals 9. 6 plus 3 equals 9. 4 plus 5 equals 9. 5 plus 4 equals 9. All right, good job, guys. Now we're going to go over our money, and then we're going to do something different with our money up on the board. Okay, so we're going to go over it. So let's sing the song first. Are you ready? Penny, penny, easily spent, copper brown and worth 1 cent. Nickel, nickel, thick and fat, worth 5 cents, I know that. Dime, dime, little and thin, I remember you're worth 10. Quarter, quarter, big and bold, you're worth 25, I am told. All right, now boys and girls, we all know what this one's called, don't we? What is this one called? A penny. And how much is a penny worth? 1 cent. And what do we count by when we count pennies? Ones. Very good. Now, these three are a little harder to keep straight in our mind. Sometimes we get confused. Now, if you think about the size of them, it helps because we know the song, okay? So if we say, quarter, quarter, big and bold, you're worth 25, I am told, that's talking about the big one, right? The big one, the quarter, right? How much is a quarter worth? 25 cents. And what do we count by when we count quarters? 25s, very good. Now these two people little people like you get confused a lot. Okay, these two right here, okay? They're close in size, okay? If you look at this one and the quarter, there's a big difference, right? But these ones are closer in size. It's harder to keep them straight, okay? Now, if you think about them, if you have them right next to each other and you think about the song, it makes it a little easier. Okay, which one is little and thin? Think about the song. Which one is little and thin? The dime, right? And which one is thick and fat? The nickel. Okay, so that means this one's called what? Nickel. How much is a nickel worth? 5 cents. And what do we count by when we count nickels? 5s. So what is this one? What's the name of this coin? Right here. A dime. And how much is a dime worth? 10 cents. And what do we count by when we count dimes? Tens. Very good. And we've been counting money a lot. We've been practicing a lot lately. Boys and girls, up on the board, we're going to count money in a different way. Okay, now let me show you up here. All right, now we're going to count this row of coins. Okay, but look at them. They're not all the same. Okay, now what is this one? Okay, do you remember? It's not a quarter. What is this one? This is a nickel. And how much is a nickel worth? 5 cents. So what do we count by when we count nickels? 5s. Okay, and then these, can you see these well enough to tell what they are? These are pennies. Okay, and how much is a penny worth? 1 cent. So we count by ones when we count pennies. So that means if we're going to count these coins, we have to count by both 5s and 1s. Okay, now we're going to do it together. Okay, so we're going to count by 5s first. Okay, are you ready to do it with me? 5, 10, 15. So the nickels are 15. 5, 10, 15. Then we're going to switch to counting by ones. Now, going by ones, what's the next number after 15? 16, okay? If you count by ones, it's 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. By ones. So this is 5, 10, 15, and then it's 16, 17. Okay, let's do that again. 5, 10, 15, then switch to ones, 16, 17. 17 cents. And boys and girls, I'm going to write that right there.
17 cents.
Okay, so we counted mixed numbers, okay? It wasn't just nickels and it wasn't just penny. We mixed them together. And you know, that's the way we really count money whenever we buy things. Okay, we don't just use pennies or dimes or just use quarters or nickels. We usually have a mix of number of the different money and we use it to count out and buy things. Okay, and you'll learn that more and more as you get bigger. We're just starting that this year. We're not even going to do it very much because our school year is almost over, but I wanted you to see what it was like to count them when they're mixed up, okay, whenever there's different ones. Now, what is this little coin called? A dime. How much is a dime worth? 10 cents. So what are we going to count these by? These two right here. By tens. And then what are these right here? Pennies. And what do we count pennies by? Ones. Okay, so let's count the dimes first by tens. Do it with me, okay? You ready? 10, 20. Okay, that was pretty easy. Let's do it again. 10, 20. Well, then we're going to start counting the pennies. So we're going to switch to counting by ones. So when we're counting by ones, we count 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. Remember? So we're going to count 10, do it with me, 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Let's do that again. Ready? Do it with me. 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. 24 cents. And I'm going to write that right here. All right, guys. So you just counted mixed different coins. Good job. That was really good, boys and girls. All right, that's all we're going to do today. So you guys have a really good day and do good work with your worksheets, okay? All right, bye.